Hello children, welcome to LE Tutorials. Today we'll be starting with a geography chapter which is called as Natural and Man-Made Disaster. Okay, now this chapter is actually speaking more of information and general knowledge, and you have heard of so many disasters that's happening around the world. We'll be understanding about them again, fine? Again, I don't want you people to open your textbook. The reason is because, seriously speaking, this chapter is too long. Okay, the chapter is too long to understand. So, what all I'm making you people understand, just try to grasp it again. Go through the textbooks, okay? The language is again very easy for you to understand, so you don't have to worry. There are no such words that you will not be able to understand. And of course, we'll be always having the Zoom lecture where your doubts will be clear. There are some few case studies, because whatever natural disasters we are trying to understand or man-made disasters, they have happened around the world. So we are trying to give out the case study just to understand how it had an impact, how people came out of it, what was the cause, etc. Okay, so that is what the chapter is all about. Again, I repeat, it's a long chapter. It's an informative chapter. There is a lot of knowledge what you are going to get, but nothing is there where you feel that, oh my God, if I don't read this part, I'm losing something. Because it is not like urbanization or migration where you have to understand the push factors or pull factors or what is a smart city or what is a satellite city, because they are those concepts which are new. But these things are so unfortunate that we have all come across it, over a period of time. So we know something about it. Starting with the chapter, what do you mean by a disaster? Very important question. An unexpected event or a hazard, okay, that take place suddenly, okay. Like, let me tell you, hazard and disasters never knock and come, okay. They just come all of a sudden. And unfortunately, when they come all of a sudden, they're not going to bring happiness with it, because there is a lot of loss taking place in the form of people, in the form of property, okay, everything going into a loss, everything going into a destruction, and everything going into a devastation. So when everything is in a chaos, everything is messed up, like how beautiful the country looks like or how beautiful the city looks like, if any of those natural disasters come and actually disturb everything, everything is gone, okay, everything is gone. Now this chapter, I will be doing it in two parts so that you understand it very slowly. After this part is over, I want you people to go through the natural disasters, what we are explaining out over here. We are trying to understand the 5 important natural disasters that take place on the earth, which I have written down on the board. What is so much about the disaster? It is unpredictable. What is the meaning of unpredictable? As I told you, वो alarm बेचता नहीं है या telegram बेचता नहीं है या call करके नहीं आता है. It is very unpredictable. Yes, we have departments. You have meteorological departments. We have oceanography departments who can actually give us a warning. A cyclone department who does tell us, there is an expected things happening in the nature, so it is going to hit the coastal areas or whatever it is. So it is little bit of unpredictable. That is very important thing. It is unfamiliar. Unfamiliarity ka matlab hota hai we are not used to it. Now people of Japan are very used to earthquakes because wahan pe they are living near the earthquake prone region which has got a lot of plates moving under their earth's crust. So they are used to it. So काम करते करते tremor आता है तो उन लोग काम छोड़ के भागते नहीं हैं. They go and sit under a table or under something where they can protect themselves. वरना कुछ भी गिरेगा तो directly it will come and hit on their head. So they are used to it, okay. But otherwise, no common man is used to or familiar to such kind of disasters. There is speed. Of course, we all know what is the meaning of speed. अगर एक cyclone भी आ जाता है तो उसका speed is so bad. Fortunately, Nisarg, which was supposed to hit Mumbai coast, did not happen anything to Mumbai coast. Otherwise, everything would have just flown away. Urgency, okay, uncertainty hota hai and threat hota hai. ठीक है? So these are few things which is always you can say they are together with a disaster. okay, and you cannot stop a disaster. Yes, we can take precautions by doing a lot of afforestation, by taking care of nature, okay, so that's very, very important. What are the effects of a disaster? First thing, the most important thing is it disrupts the normal life. It influences the emergency system. Okay, मतलब normal life तो पूरी तरह से तहस महस हो जाता है. That is a fact. Everything comes to a standstill. Okay, standstill, and everything gets disrupted. So you have to start everything right from the scratch. You know, that is what happens after a disaster gets over. So you know, disaster आया है, करके गया, लेकिन उसका जो after effect होता है, that is even worst, because people have to cope up with it. Okay, the things have to cope up, the society needs to cope up, the country needs to cope up, the city needs to cope up, and to cope up and bring up everything back to normal takes a lot of time. Okay, lot of time, there is money involved, there is a lot of energy involved, there are a lot of people involved. Okay, there is a management, disaster management, which you'll be understanding in the last part, who have to actually take care of all these things. Fine. Natural disaster क्यों होता है? They are natural or geological cause होता है. ठीक है? Naturally anything happening in nature is called as natural disaster. Geological का मतलब क्या होता है? If anything is happening under the earth's crust, like for example earthquakes, volcanoes, क्यों होता है? Because there is some kind of working happening under the earth's crust. और उसका result कहाँ पे दिखाई देता है? Above the earth crust. So that cannot be stopped. That is a natural phenomena actually happening. That's why you call it as a natural disaster. लेकिन कहाँ पे होता है? Of course, they only happen in those places जहाँ पे prone होता है. Like in Mumbai, we cannot have an earthquake. But of course, earthquake in the water in the form of tsunami is possible. So that is something what one has to be really careful about. Okay. Earthquakes, cyclone, volcanoes, drought, flood, landslides, tsunami are few of the natural disasters that we speak about. Cyclone and drought is why? It's because of the lack of the monsoon. Drought, famine is because of lack of monsoon. Cyclone is one kind of a pressure that is being formed in the water, low pressure formed in the water surrounded by high pressure. And we must have all seen, you know, because last month only Nisarga aa raha hai bolke, so many WhatsApp images were coming that it is moving into the Mumbai coast, you know. So you must have seen a kind of a Jameen Chakri type, you know, something which was moving and coming to Mumbai, then from Mumbai it is going to Ratnagiri, you know. So we could see that something which is going round and round. That is basically a cyclone. That's the eye of the cyclone, what is called. We'll come to that later on. Then we have earthquake, volcanoes and tsunamis are all geological reasons. Geological reasons means something that is related with the earth. Something happening under the earth's crust, because of which the outcome happens on the earth crust. That is earthquakes, volcanoes and tsunami. So earth ke niche there are some plate tectonics which keep on moving. They should not dash against each other. They should just pass and go. If they dash against each other, we can have three things: earthquakes, volcanoes and tsunami, depending on the place where they are dashing with each other. Okay. Coming to the first one called as floods. Again, I am telling you children, just understand the chapter like a story form. Don't take all the headache of, oh my God, kya hone wala hai. Okay? The chapter is very big. The chapter is too long. So that's the reason why we'll be going slowly and we'll be understanding. Okay, and it's more of general knowledge. I'm telling you, it's more of general knowledge. Most of the schools even do a lot of cutting work. मतलब काफी कुछ उन लोग काट भी देते हैं, तो वो देख के तो मैं भी बहुत ज़्यादा खुश होती हूँ और आप लोग तो बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हो जाते हैं. That's a different thing. Coming to floods, how does a flood happen? Water overflowing the river bank is basically called as flood. वो heavy rains की वजह से हो सकता है या snow melt की वजह से हो सकता है. इसके लिए हम लोग बोलते हैं कि रिवर का जो नीचे होता है ना, जो सिल्ट होता है, मिट्टी होता है, लीव्स होता है, उसको टाइम टू टाइम क्लीन करते रहना जरूरी है. कचरा नहीं जाना चाहिए रिवर्स के अंदर. यू शुड नॉट बी डंपिंग थिंग्स इनसाइड द रिवर, ताकि रिवर का फ्लो ऑफ वाटर इज एक्चुअली स्मूथ एंड देयर इज नो इश्यू हैपनिंग. वरना तुम उसके अंदर डंप करोगे तो पानी के लिए जगह नहीं रहेगा. तो पानी क्या होने वाला है? इट इज गोइंग टू कम आउट, इट इज गोइंग टू spill out, and when it spills out it will spill inside the whole city. पूरा city पानी के अंदर हो जाएगा. ठीक है. Next, the countries where there is a lot of floods keeping on happening is all South Asian countries like China, Thailand, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh. Okay? So river banks needs to be kept clean. It's very very important. अगर हम कुछ clean नहीं कर सकते तो हमें हक भी नहीं बनता है उसको गंदा करने का. People living near the river banks does a lot of dirty work. So it is very important that people need to be educated. Okay. Safety measure. How do we stop the river water from coming out? एक तो very important thing is we have to keep it clean. You cannot dump it with all the possible kacharas. That is very important. Rise of the water needs to be kept a check. You know, इसके लिए river का पानी का rise नहीं होना चाहिए. Rise हो रहा है मतलब it is an alarming thing. Okay, it is something very dangerous. तो वो बहुत important होता है. Construction of embankment. Construction of embankment मतलब you can have some kind of a construction of a wall, okay, around the river, ताकि river का पानी does not flow out, okay, मतलब वो थोड़ा बड़ा wall बना देने का जिसको हम लोग embankment बोलते हैं. It has to be a strong wall. काफी सारे rivers हम लोग बना के रखते हैं. But मुझे लगता है कि अगर river में गंदगी होगा तो भी river का पानी बाहर आ सकता है. So moral of the story is keep the river clean. Next is there should be construction of dam. Of course yes, because अगर river water starts rising, बहुत heavy rains है, तो river का पानी is going to be a threat to the society. It can be a threat to the city, to the state. So next best thing what you can do is make a dam. Okay, dam will have a reservoir जहाँ पे river का पानी को हम लोग store कर देते हैं और जब चाहिए तभी river, जब चाहिए तभी dams का दरवाजा खोला जाएगा. So it will go and get deposited in a reservoir. Reservoir में से then it can be sent to every part of the country or it can be sent to every part of the state. Like for example, हमारा sub rivers have got its dam. Okay, so we don't have to worry about it. जो rivers हमको पानी देता है, okay, जो rivers हमको lakes जो हमको पानी देता है, they all have dams. So basically they store the water, excess water, and when needed, that water can reach your homes. Okay. Next is evacuation. Construction of dam should happen. There should be prepared evacuation. अगर कहीं पे भी floods होने वाला होगा ना, तो you have to be ready to get evacuated. You cannot say that नहीं ये मेरा घर है मैं यहीं पे बैठने वाली हूँ कुछ भी हो जाए I'm not going to move. You know, people who are living near the coastal regions, first thing is they have furnitures which are always plastic type or something that they can hold and run fast. और बाकी सब जो सामान उन लोग बनाते हैं, हमेशा उन लोग है ना हाइट्स पे बनाते हैं. क्यों हाइट्स पे बनाते हैं? क्योंकि फ्लड का पानी है ना हाइट तक पहुंचने के लिए बहुत टाइम लगता है. तो व्हाट डू दे डू इज, अगर फ्लड ऐसा हुआ भी, so they can take their things and move out quickly out of the house. So what they do is basically they don't have furnitures which are lying on the floor, okay, or they have furnitures which are made out of plastic ताकि वो खराब नहीं हो जाए. Wood के furnitures बहुत कम बनाते हैं. I'm talking about people who are living near the coastal region. So they take care of all these things because उनको पता है coastal region में पानी बहुत जल्दी भर जाता है. High tide आने की वजह से the water starts rising up. So that's something very very important. You have to have a first aid kit. First aid kit very very important. But हम लोग किसी को वो याद नहीं रहता है. हमारे घर में ही हमने first aid kit नहीं बना के रखा होगा. I have one, but it is very important. So if you are even planning to evacuate, okay, usually हम लोग बोलते हैं कि ड्राई नाश्ता एक हाथ में पकड़ लो, पानी का बॉटल ले लो और एक फर्स्ट एड किट और अपना जान बचा लो, बाकी सब छोड़ दो पीछे. ठीक है. और सम पीपल उन लोग क्या करते हैं, कपड़ों को लेके उन लोग एक बोरी बना देते हैं. सम एसेंशियल क्लोथ्स, दे पुट सम फूड, बिस्किट्स एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स, पानी का बॉटल, एंड देन दे जस्ट रन टू सेव देयर लाइफ. दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. क्योंकि बोलते हैं ना कि जान है तो जहान है. You can come back and again rebuild your house. But then at that point of time, taking necessary things and leaving the house is very very important. Okay. Impact of floods. What are the impact of floods? It's going to have a positive and a negative impact. Negative impact में क्या है देखो. People get homeless. Okay. Very common sense. There is destruction of crops. Very sad. I really feel very sad. Because the farmers who are doing a great job for months together, within no time floods come and wash off everything. Then there is a financial loss because you have to rebuild everything. So rebuilding everything is going to take a lot of time and money. And of course, there's going to be waterborne diseases. You know, the after effects of flood is even worst because, you know, you may not have proper drinking water. And if you're going to have any kind of contaminated water, so फिर you are actually calling out for different ailments like jaundice, typhoid, cholera, you know, so many unfortunate ailments, you know. So pani is very, very important after the floods, okay, taking care of water. Positive impact क्या होता है? Flood advances slowly. You know, the only good part about flood is कि flood का पानी suddenly rise नहीं होता है, okay? Suddenly rise नहीं होता है, वो थोड़ा 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 करके rise होता है, तो तब तक इंसानों के पास time रहता है to make up their bag and baggages, take all the necessary things and leave the house. So flood does not actually rise up suddenly, so that's only the plus point I feel. Of course, it even deposits the fertile silt over the area that is submerged. तो तुम बोलोगे कितना अच्छा ना वहाँ पे हम agriculture कर सकते हैं? नहीं, I don't think so. हाँ, the only good part is कि अगर वहाँ पे villages less है, land ज़्यादा है, तो silt अगर जम भी जाए तो वहाँ पे you can do agricultural work. वरना destroying so much of houses and then वहाँ पे agriculture होता है, silt जमा होता है, is not something nice to think or talk about. Okay, so I don't think this is anything good. एक चीज पता है कि floods are basically giving a lot of trouble. Okay, Mumbai ने देखा है floods which happened in the year 2005. You people are not even born at that point of time. Ask your parents. They will tell you how Mumbai city was submerged inside water for almost a day. It happened on the 26th of July 2005. दोपहर का 1 बजे से जो बारिश start हुआ था, the Mumbai city was submerged. Okay, there were people who walked home through railway tracks, through roads. Okay, chest level water reached home. Of course, the water receded, but there was so much of jaundice and so many things, hepatitis and बहुत कुछ हो गया था, बहुत कुछ. Mumbai has seen that devastation, unfortunately. Coming next one is your earthquakes. Sudden shaking of Earth's crust causing damage, death, okay, is called as earthquake. Okay, when your Earth starts shaking, that's called as an earthquake. Now, when your Earth is shaking, the crust is shaking, that's again because of some kind of tectonic plates below the Earth's crust. Okay, when they come and collide with each other, okay, the place where they collide, this place is basically called as a focus, and this is under the earth, and the place just right above the earth is called as epicenter. Okay, so this is very, very devastating. Study of earthquake is called as seismology, and the people or the scientist who does the study of earthquake is called as seismologist. Okay, इसका इफेक्ट क्या होता है? earthquake का effects is again very, very common. Okay, you have cracks happening on the roads. Okay, you have so many tall rise buildings standing slant. Okay, दीवारों पे cracks आ जाता है, you know, so then anytime the building can fall down. Houses, okay, जो ground floor bungalows होते हैं वो सब एकदम ही जल्दी टूट जाता है, depending upon how long the earthquake takes place. Okay, and this is being measured on a scale which is called as a Richter scale. Richter scale, उसमें कैसा है? 0 to 10 है. So if you come to know कि earthquake was about 5 degrees का था, 5, तो समझ लेने का that was 5 times. If it is written there 9, तो वहाँ पे लिखा, it means the intensity has been 9 times. So it is really very bad, very bad. और tremors होता है ना, तो you basically find, you know, everything shaking like this, and then धड़ 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 करके सब कुछ नीचे आता है. So there is again, unfortunately, loss of property and everything. See, house, roads, dams, then there are rolling of objects taking place. So you have to be careful. The most important thing is, जैसे earthquake होता है, whatever high rise you are living, you are not supposed to take a lift because पूरा light चला जाता है. Okay, so you are supposed to take the stairs. Again, basically they say is take your essential things, take your torch, take your first aid kit, and take your life and just run. Take the steps. That's very, very important. You're not supposed to wait कि नहीं मैं lift से ही जाने वाला हूँ. No, and you don't stand to take out selfies. You know कि wow, earthquake and I'm seeing earthquake for the first time in my life. Don't do such kind of things. You have to actually run for your life. That's very, very important. Effects, okay. Next one, earthquake and water is called as tsunami. Tsunami जो होता है, that is rising of your water level in the sea is called as tsunami. The best example is that happened on 2000, if I'm not wrong, it happened in 2004, which happened at Kanyakumari, which was a huge one, or 2014. Okay, it was a huge one that happened. और tsunami क्या होता है? Earthquake under the water is called as tsunami. तो कैसे मालूम पड़ता है? अगर तुम्हारा जो waves है वो बहुत बड़ा उसका height हो जाता है ना, almost 10 floors जैसा, तो समझ लेने का कि tsunami आ गया. And if you know Pacific Ocean में बहुत होता रहता है, Indonesia, Japan, Philippines, वहाँ पे earthquakes, tsunamis बहुत होता रहता है. And ये जो भी हुआ था भी, it happened at the Java Island, which is near to Indonesia. जिसका effect happened in our Kanyakumari. Okay, Kanyakumari. It was on the 26th of December. It was just one day after the Christmas. Okay, 2004 or 2014 it was. And of course many people died. वहाँ पे तो बहुत सारे लोग मर गए. Okay, Java Island के वहाँ पे, इंडिया में भी बहुत जल्द, because it was a holidaying time. ठीक है, holidays का time था. Fine, tsunami is okay. Now if you're indoors, if you're outdoors, or you're in a moving vehicle, basically what you're supposed to do. If you're indoors, okay, earthquake के time पे, if you're inside the house, okay, what you're basically doing is, if it's going to be tremor just for some time, go and stand under the, they say under the chair, under the table, okay, bed के नीचे जाके बैठ जाओ. क्योंकि क्या होता है कि if any object from your house falls down, it will not come and hit you, because those objects will start shaking. ठीक है, so you can at least take care of yourself like that way. If you are outdoors, if you can move out, nothing like it. Leave everything and go to an open space and stand, so that you know even if anything comes down, crumpling, it comes down like this. It does not fall like this. So it falls down like this. So you can come out to an open ground. Very important. Open ground में आके खड़ा रहना बहुत जरूरी है. Like always I say is first you try to help yourself. सब लोग अपने आप को help करेंगे तो we don't have to be panic. Okay? Not wait for others. Of course, old people and all, we have to take care and just run with them. What else to do? If you're in a moving vehicle, what would you do? तुम गाड़ी चलाते नहीं जा सकते हो because roads में cracks आते हैं. So it's very important to park the road, come out of the car, and then stand somewhere. Because fortunately, we must have not ever seen, and we should never be seeing all these things. But then there are many people who have seen this in the interiors of India. Okay, like in Gujarat, Kutch में बहुत बड़ा earthquake हुआ था, where I've had a student whose you know uncles and uncle, auntie and all of them had gone, you know. So it is so very sad. Like you know, literally they have seen how the cracks happen on the floor. मतलब एकदम होता है ना कि literally you can see how nature becomes ferocious during such time. So earthquake is something what one has to really be careful about. और वो होता रहेगा क्योंकि अर्थ के अंदर इतना प्रेशर और टेम्परेचर होता है, so it has to come out in some way. So that is how it basically happens. Coming to cyclones, okay, violent storms develop over warm ocean water, जिसके वजह से high tide होता है. Okay, water moving to the shore, जिसको हम लोग hurricane भी बोलते हैं, ठीक है. So cyclone is something that water comes towards the shore. Cyclone, fortunately again, मुंबई के काफी kilometers दूर होके cyclone निकल जाता है. तो when I said about that cyclone sometime back, वो जो जमी चक्री type होता है, that's basically your cyclone. That's called as an eye of a cyclone. जब बोलते हैं ना कि बॉम्बे में अभी 2 मिनट में पहुंचने वाला है, मतलब that is the eye of the cyclone which is going to do a lot of destruction. ठीक है, तो साइक्लोन्स बेसिकली हमारे कंट्री में तमिलनाडु एक्सपीरियंसेस इट इन द मंथ ऑफ विंटर बिकॉज ये गेट विंटर रेन्स. ओके, और ये साइक्लोन कहाँ पे होता है? बे ऑफ बंगाल में. इफ यू नो द मैप वेरी वेल कि तमिलनाडु इज ऑन द ईस्ट कोस्ट ऑफ इंडिया, तो बे ऑफ बंगाल के वहाँ पे साइक्लोन जब होता है इट गिव्स अ लॉट ऑफ डिस्ट्रक्शन टू तमिलनाडु. ठीक है, प्रिकॉशंस ऑफ कोर्स साइक्लोन का हमेशा सबसे फर्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट प्रिकॉशन होता है लिसन टू द रेडियो और योर टेलीविजन. यू शुड स्टोर फूड. वी मस्ट हैव ऑल एक्सपीरियंस्ड व्हाट हैपेंड व्हेन वी वर ऑल टोल्ड कि Nisarga is going to come and hit Mumbai. Everybody was waiting कि कैसे होने वाला है, you know, keeping your vehicles on stand और you know बड़े-बड़े trees के नीचे vehicles park नहीं करते थे, bikes को बराबर stand पे रखते थे, windows सब एकदम अच्छे से बंद करते थे, घर के अंदर ही थे, people were not going out, you know, shopkeepers were keeping all the shutters and you know उनका जो everything they were taking a lot of precaution. And we were listening to the news from time to time. We need to store food क्योंकि अगर cyclone का effect होता है तो for the next 5 to 6 days there will be no food available. तो food लेके आके रखो. कभी-कभी light चला जाता है, gas का line बंद करना पड़ता है. Thank God, Mumbai was saved. Okay, I mean we actually thanked the God at that day. Keep away from the sea. You cannot say कि मुझे मार्वे बीच जाना है, मुझे गोराई जाना है, मुझे थोड़ा घूम के आने का है. No ways. Okay, of course the police is there. They conduct mock drills. They strengthen the doors, windows. Mock drills का मतलब होता है they basically train the common people of the building कि ऐसा कुछ होगा तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए. Okay, as I said this, we need to act wisely, quickly, and save as many people as possible. बाकी तो we can see what can be done. And especially when you are staying near to the sea coast. Okay, we are on the coast, but we are not very close to the sea. तो इसके वजह से सी के वहाँ पे रहने वाले जो फिशर फोक्स है उनको ये सब ड्रिल समझाया जाता है so that they can actually take a lot of precaution. Okay. After the cyclone, unfortunately क्या होता है? There will be no gas, electrical appliances may be not working. You have to be careful of the snakes also क्योंकि cyclone पानी बहुत लेकर आता है. Okay. The sea water is coming into the city. तो वो पानी reside होने तक पानी के अंदर घूमने नहीं जाने का because you may have different kinds of snakes and creatures. So, I mean, because they don't know whether they are inside the city. But as humans, we know we are not supposed to walk in that water. There will be fallen trees, there could be broken bridges. Okay, so basically you can say that there could be so much of mess happening. And fortunately, ऐसा कभी भी किसी को भी नहीं हो, I feel. Because the after effects actually becomes really very bad. Like many children say, Miss आना चाहिए ना, मजा आएगा. मजा नहीं होता है, सजा होता है, and it is very very painful. Okay, it is very very painful. Coming to the second last, which is called as your floods. Okay, water rising above and beyond a normal place or course is called as a flood. You people have not seen, but even if you have seen some small floods happening in Mumbai is actually nothing. Because what I have experienced, what your parents must have experienced was actually a flood. I have walked down the flood water in 2005, which was chest level when I was teaching for another coaching class and I was coming back home and my lane was completely filled with water chest level. I said, how will I reach home? I said, but I have to. I started walking through that water. Pata nahi what was that inside that water, lekin chalna pada. Okay, cause of the flood is what? Overflowing होता है या snow melt होता है, कभी-कभी flash floods आता है या storm होता है, तब जाके floods होता है. वरना पानी ऐसे ही भरता नहीं है. पानी की तो कमी है. Now with no rains coming, okay, the BMC now will start cutting down your water. Okay, so पानी बहुत important है. So that is the reason. तो suddenly floods आने, flash floods का मतलब होता है कभी-कभी बारिश के साथ साथ you know the water level starts just rising and then there's a flash flood, then फिर बंद हो जाता है. Storm, of course, it comes with timings and कभी आने वाला है, so we know that very well. Okay, coming to how to be prepared. House should be made at high levels so that the flood waters don't come. You know, तुम गांव में सब जाओ तो देखो गांव में when you're entering the house there are about 5-6 steps and then the house starts, you know, basically. So ground level maybe don't make house which is on the ground level. At least 8-9 steps रहेंगे फिर घर का base start हो जाता है. So that actually makes a lot of difference. Of course, now huge buildings what are made, okay, tall rises have got stilt parking. Parking ही खुद 5 floor होता है, फिर building start होता है. तो और वो parking शुरू होने के लिए they have those basements which are made, which are huge. Okay, so and of course big buildings have got all the facilities made जहाँ पे water will not go into the building premises and they keeps us pumps and everything ताकि पानी खींच के निकाल भी सकते हैं. Okay, everything is taken care of. There you should have torch, radio. Okay, you should have strong ropes, non-perishable food. Strong ropes क्यों? क्योंकि rope लेके अगर तुमको कहीं निकलना पड़ा Okay, कहीं निकलना पड़ा and you know when people will all be holding ropes, you will not get washed away in the floods. Okay, so everybody can hold. That's why they say otherwise make a human chain. Okay, human chain में भी कभी-कभी पानी इतना फोर्स में आता है तो कोई बह के भी नहीं जाना चाहिए, तो वो रोप रहेगा तो बेस्ट रहेगा. Okay, so one can be fine with that. Coming to drought, acute shortage of water and crop failure is called as a drought. Unfortunately हमारे कंट्री में बहुत बार हुआ है, अभी नहीं होना चाहिए, इसके लिए बारिश होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. बारिश नहीं हुआ तो ड्रॉट होने का फुल चांसेस है. कॉज क्या होता है? देखो, प्रोलॉन्ग ड्राई स्पेल. ड्राई स्पेल मतलब काफ़ी टाइम से अभी बारिश नहीं गिर रहा है, बीच बीच में थोड़ा सा आके जाता है, विच इज़ नॉट समथिंग ग्रेट. इट हैज़ टू रेन. नाउ इट्स जुलाई. Okay, it has to pour. July, August, September, 3 months it has to pour. तब जाके हमारा next 8 months it's going to be awesome. Shortage of water, crop failure होता है, fine. Prolonged dry spell, there is no moisture in the soil, तो agriculture कैसे होगा? और agriculture नहीं होगा तो हम खाना क्या खाएंगे? Okay, so it is very important, my dear children, that we have to pray to God for the rains to come on time. Next is exploitation of groundwater. You know, जब बारिश का पानी नीचे जाके ग्राउंड वाटर में स्टोर होता है, पीपल टेक दैट ग्राउंड वाटर एंड मेक द मैक्सिमम यूज ऑफ इट. लेकिन वो ग्राउंड वाटर भी तो खत्म हो जाएगा. इट विल गेट ओवर. कोई भी पानी ज्यादा टाइम नहीं रहेगा, तो वो ग्राउंड वाटर खत्म होने के बाद बारिश भी नहीं आएगा, तो व्हाट आर वी गोइंग टू ड्रिंक? सो इट्स सो इम्पोर्टेंट टू कंजर्व वाटर. डोंट एवर कीप टैप्स ओपन. या यू नो कभी कभी होता है कि थोड़ा सा टैप ओपन रखने दो, बकेट भर रहा है ना, भर के चलते हैं, इतना थोड़ा ही से तो जा रहा है. अरे लेकिन तुम 1 घंटे से अगर वैसा रखोगे तो पूरा बिल्डिंग का टांकी का पानी खत्म हो जाएगा, which is so sad. Okay, what is the impact? शॉर्टेज ऑफ वाटर होता है, एग्रीकल्चर में प्रॉब्लम होता है, शॉर्टेज ऑफ फूड होता है, फॉर्डर में प्रॉब्लम होता है, एंड देन पीपल आर फोर्स्ड टू माइग्रेट. सो यू नो वी आर एक्चुअली एट टाइम्स वी आर Mumbai has got so many high rises coming up. You know, the BMC has to take care of every water that has to be sent. You know, the areas where we are staying, we are at least lucky enough. If you're going towards the central side, beyond the eastern side, there are people who are not getting water 24/7. Okay, so it's so important to conserve water, because otherwise it's going to actually give a lot of trouble. Okay, there are many people who get water only in the morning for 1 hour, evening 1 hour. They have to store water and keep. ठीक है, और वो स्टोर्ड पानी से ही पूरा दिन चलाना पड़ता है. सो डोंट मिसयूज द वाटर. ओके, वरना ड्रॉट होने का चांसेस बहुत ही कम होता है. सो वी नीड रेन वाटर, सो लेट्स प्रे दैट द रेन्स कम वेरी सून. अपार्ट फ्रॉम these 4 or 5 natural disasters, we have landslides and avalanches. Landslides are like mudslide. ठीक है, like you must have seen कि माउंटेन के वहाँ से जब पूरा मिट्टी ऐसा नीचे, गिल्ला मिट्टी नीचे आता है ना, बिकॉज ऑफ रेन वाटर एंड ऑल दैट, फिर वो पूरा गांव को सबमर्ज कर देते हैं. दैट्स कॉल्ड एज अ लैंडस्लाइड. एंड avalanche is when the snow melts and comes down and puts a complete village into snow. It's called as an avalanche. Now these are all natural phenomena and nobody can stop it. Landslide we can stop by putting more of afforestation. मतलब mountains के ऊपर you can have trees being planted, ठीक है, so that you know the water does not bring down the mud and everything, and the villages can be saved as such. Okay, so these are the important natural disasters what I have taken up. Again, now read the book. I'll come very soon and I will do the next part, which is your man-made disaster. ठीक है, मतलब नेचर तो अपना गुल खिला रहा है, इंसान भी कुछ कम नहीं है, हमने बहुत कुछ करके रखा है, उसके बारे में भी हम लोग पढ़ेंगे. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye.